Good afternoon, guys. Just a quick little afternoon video here for you. I am back from my high desert, middle of nowhere, disgruntled, I'm pissed off job. I I used to be really good about not saying yes to everything, and I got to quit saying yes to these jobs. The only reason I take them out of town is because I get a lot of referrals out there. So back when I was taking basically any work I could get and not saying no to anything, I got some jobs out there that are a couple hours away, and now I get referrals out there, and I feel bad turning down referral work because that's my bread and butter. That's where I get most of my work. So anyway, I'm not going back out there for a while, hopefully not for a long while, and I can get back to doing just jobs in town. Tomorrow I got a mini split to do on a coffee shop, which should be real quick and easy. I should be able to get you guys some good shots there. But what I really wanted to talk about was, as I'm getting older, I'll be 47 in less than 2 weeks. I'm just not feeling it these days, and I wanted to get some of your guys' ideas on ways, especially guys that are my age or a little bit older, how you guys maintain your energy levels. I know the tried and true stuff, exercise, eat right, limit alcohol consumption, etc., which that may or may not happen. I don't know. I figure if I take care of everything else, I can still have some beers and be okay. I think that's moderation is key. Obviously, sometimes on the weekends I tend to take it a little too far, but yeah, I want some ideas. I'm thinking about doing a live stream. I don't know if I'm going to do it tonight. 6 o'clock Pacific time seems like a pretty good time to do it. As far as you guys being able to tune in and whatnot. I might do it tomorrow, though. We'll see. So what I want to talk about, though, with that and right now is health. Health. What can we do to keep ourselves healthy? As we know, this trait is very, very hard on your body and your mind and everything else. And lately, I just feel like it's kind of breaking down on me within like the last year. It seems like it's really breaking down on me, and I just don't have that, I wouldn't say it's lack of motivation. It's more of a physical thing where my body is just telling me, hey, you're not going to be able to do this today, and have that push that you need to have. Yesterday I finished that job out in the middle of nowhere, and I just felt like I just didn't feel good, and there's no reason for it. It's not like I stayed up late. I got to bed early. Now, granted, I haven't slept good the last couple nights. The night before, I just couldn't get to sleep for some reason, and I had a lack of sleep. And then last night, I was in a strange place trying to sleep, and that never happens. So it never happens that I'm going to be able to sleep when I'm in a strange bed and I'm away from my family and whatnot. I just it doesn't have the allure, if I can say that word, that it used to have. When I was younger, it was kind of like a party night or something. But I can't do that anymore, and then it didn't help that somebody came in and after 11 o'clock and started trampling around in there. It's a bed and breakfast, so everything's shared, and they were put right in the bedroom right next to me, and they were, walking around and chit-chatting and whatnot. It's just kind of annoying. So anyway, yeah, I just want some ideas from you guys on, things that you do to help maintain your energy level as you get older. Even if you're younger than me, if you're in your 30s, and, I started feeling it a little bit then, but really starting to feel it as I get closer to 50. And, obviously it's just going to get worse from here on out. So I want you guys to put in the comments some of your ideas on what you do, outside of the obvious things, eating right, exercising, etc. What supplements maybe you take. What are some things that you do to maintain your energy level and make you feel younger? Because that's what I want. So I'm gonna make a tried and true effort to do that from here on out. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow with a ride along video with that mini split install, and I will see you tomorrow.